got special treatment from the police. The police officer, Gasky, believed the assault was made by the assailant. He didn't believe me or the two TriMet supervisors. The police captured, not killed, a racist white supremacist known to the police. Holding the bloody knife, he attacked and killed people with while drinking wine from his Gatorade bottle. And to Mr. Jeremy Christian, your mom should have swallowed you. You are a waste of breath. And when you die and go to hell, I hope you rot.
See you there, bitch.
No, hey.
Go back to Tennessee, too.
What do I tell you?
Go back to Tennessee, too.
You can.
We don't want you here. All your race-baiting bullshit. We ain't gonna be there either, bitch. We ain't gonna be there either, bitch. You fucking hoe. You fucking hoe. You fucking the whole city. George Floyd. George Floyd. I should have killed you, bitch. I should have killed your bitch ass. Everybody knows you're a liar. Everybody knows you're a liar, huh?
Order in the court. He's gone.
That's the stuff
Thank
you're
you,
gonna
Ms. Hester.